Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar, and today we're going to be checking out Tracy Chapman's classic tune, Gimme One More Reason. If you're a beginner, this might be a little bit hard to play, but if you're getting into bar chords and you can play bar chords, this is a really cool tune to practice them with. And it's also a really cool tune to start kind of playing some nice bass lines. In between your chords, right? It's a great little fingerstyle thing that just sounds really cool. It's not that hard to play along with the tune, and just in general, a very fun tune to play. All right, let's get into the close-up and let's learn this classic tune. See you there. So one other thing, for my All Access members, I'm gonna have this tabbed out. So if you're one of my All Access members, don't worry, I've got you hooked up. The tab will be included in the lesson of the week part of this lesson. Alrighty, welcome to the close-up. So first, let's take a look at the chords. So there's only 3 chords in this tune, and the chord progression is always the same. So it's an F sharp major, going into a B major, and then the last one is C sharp major. Now for the B and the C sharp, you could play it like this, right? Like an A, just pushed over. I like to use my pinky. You could also use your ring finger, whatever feels better to you. Okay, I like to use my pinky, but you could, again, use this or use this. Okay, and for the F sharp major, it's the same as an F, just 1 fret further up. And if you don't know any of these chords and you want to know more chords and how to move them up and down the neck freely, freestyling the chords, there's a free picture chord book that I've created that you can go download right now totally for free. The link for that is above or below me. Above or below me. Okay? So starting on the F sharp, and now let's take a look at the pattern that the right hand is going to be doing the whole time. So we're going to start off with the bass, and then we're going to play the open 6th string, and then we're going to fret it. Again, only this one note for now. Okay? So open 6, and then fretting the 6th, and then with my 2nd and 3rd finger, I'm going to be playing the 3rd and the 4th string. So that's so open, fretted, up, bass, up, down. And what you'll notice I'm doing is I'm releasing tension with my left hand, which is muting out the strings. See, I just did it. So I'm doing that upwards thing, and right after I do that, I'm releasing tension, which is muting out the strings. I'm not letting them ring. I'm not leaving the strings, I'm just not letting them ring. So, and then I go back, and then I do an up and a down. Okay, so open, bass, up. So, and with that little down flick there, the second time around, I'm just using my 2nd and 3rd finger, my 1st and 2nd finger, to just do a little slap downwards. And then after that, again, I'm releasing. So really slowly. And just so you can hear the contrast of not releasing, how that would sound. Oh, sorry. You can hear how that releasing the strings really makes it sound tighter. Okay, so that's really the main thing you're going to need to practice. Once you have a really good feeling for this bum bum, once you have a good feeling for that, then the rest of the tune is going to be easy. So take some time to practice that now. Then once you've got that under your right hand fingers, right, and your left hand fingers, then move on with the lesson. Okay, so one more time. bum bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum. Okay. Okay, so now let's take a look at the chord progression. So it's F sharp major, there's that B, and then there's a C sharp. Okay? So bum bum ba bum ba bum. And now when we go to the B, we're gonna play the open fifth string. We're gonna do that same thing, bum bum bum. But now we're gonna move to the next chord, and we're gonna compete that little right hand sequence. Okay, so the right hand sequence is, okay, so bum bum bum. Half of the right hand sequence, then we're going to the next chord. Then back to the F sharp. And then we're going to play it 2 times on the F sharp. So far we have the F sharp, bum 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 bum. Half of the way on the B. Then the second half happens on the C sharp, okay? And then it goes back into the F sharp 2 times. Now B. I played the whole sequence once, half, and then again I move in here. Okay, so the whole thing one more time, slowly, really slowly. Half on this one. 2 times on this. Back down to B. Now I played a whole one. So bum 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 bum. So I played a whole one, then I play a half one, then again I finish it off on this one. Back to the F sharp 2 times. Now we're going to go straight into that C sharp major. Play the whole sequence once. Down to B, play the whole sequence. Back to F sharp twice. And that completes the chord progression. Now I know this might be confusing if you're trying to play it the whole time, and that's why what I want to do for you now is play the whole thing a couple of times really slowly, just as a loop, so you can really see how it all fits together, okay? So let me do that for you rather than you being confused here. Okay, so listen really carefully. I'm going to play it nice and slow. So let's just do it. Bum, bum. Before I go to that C sharp, I also play the open 5th string. When I go into the B, I also play open 5th string. Okay, so that's the end of the chord progression. Now I'm going to restart. Two times. Down to the B. I'm slowing it down here so you can really see how this okay, so that's really it, more or less. I highly recommend listening to the song so your ear can really get a feeling for how it all fits together. And then over time, once you practice this, you know, it'll get automated in your fingers, and then, you know, it'll start to get easier and easier. And also if you try to sing, if you can sing, I can't sing, then it'll also become very obvious where the chord changes happen exactly, okay? One other thing that I wanted to point out, there's only one time in the tune where she plays it 4 times, that open bass. And that's at the beginning of the tune. So that's the only time that happens, at the beginning, bum, 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 bum. Okay? All right, listen to the tune a couple of times. One other thing, for my All Access members, I'm gonna have this tabbed out. So if you're one of my All Access members, don't worry, I've got you hooked up. The tab will be included in the lesson of the week part of this lesson. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope it made sense. Be patient with yourself. You know, it might be a little bit tricky with that right hand to get it all to flow, but if you stick to it, you will get it 100%. If you like this lesson, again, don't forget to do the thumbs up, hit subscribe, visit me again, and check out the All Access membership. There's always extra goodies for my members inside of the membership. All right, my friends, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this lesson. See you very soon again. Take it easy. Bye-bye.